I'm 63 and retired for the most part. And so I am actually looking for something to give back to the community. And this seemed like kind of an amazing thing. I was trying to partner with a chiropractor or a different doctor and try to, get them involved in this, and maybe I would finance the machines and they could put them in their office. And it ended up that I felt like I was pushing the river. It was like they were like going, I don't know, what is this new thing? And I said, well, if you're not going to do it, I will. So that's how I got into it. And I hope, like I said, I don't need the business. I don't need to start another business at this point in my life, but this seems like a good one to do.